Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upgrade storage in Google One. If you're running out of space in your Google services, upgrading your storage through Google One is the easiest way to fix it. Once upgraded, the extra storage is shared across your Google Drive, Gmail and Google Photos, so everything works seamlessly without needing separate upgrades. So first what you need to do is you need to open to your Google One app on your device, and over here once you get into this interface of your Google One, on the bottom you can find there's an upgrade icon. Tap on the upgrade icon there. Over here, here's how you can decide it. Under this basic, you can find there's an option for the 100 GB, good for the light users. You can also find this 200 GB, best for the regular users, or 2 TB, ideal for heavy users. And you can check your current usage in the Google One and tap on the get discount. And then you can simply proceed to it. Subscription auto renews monthly or yearly. Upgrade may take up to 24 hours to reflect, and payment method must be valid before upgrading. And that is it. This is how you can upgrade storage in Google One. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.